Senator van Turnhout.
Very much. Firstly, I'd like to extend my congratulations also to the Minister for Foreign Affairs and the Department for Foreign Affairs, the permanent missions of Ireland to the United Nations in Geneva and New York, and everyone else involved in Ireland's successful bid to secure a seat at the UN Human Rights Council in Geneva. I think it will be an interesting 3 years indeed, and I look forward to Ireland's renewed focus on the implementation of the Human Rights Council Universal Periodic Review recommendations now that Ireland has member status. Secondly, and with very warm wishes, I wish to say well done to everyone involved in the successful passage of the referendum, and particularly well done to Minister Frances Fitzgerald. This is a very gratifying time for me personally, both and professionally. I've campaigned for many years for this referendum, and I actually anticipated the margin to be much less. It's a difficult issue. It's profound social change. This referendum, if we look, much comparison has been happening in the media to previous referendums. This referendum was about social change. This was a major difference to previous referendums. I do think, so therefore it is difficult to compare. I think this referendum will be transformative, and we do not yet know the full extent of this referendum. In 10, 20 years' time, there will be a case in the Supreme Court, and we will know that on Saturday, the 10th of November, that we did make a difference. But I also would like to urge caution in dismissing the no vote. I spoke in many meetings up and down and across the country, and in some of that no vote, there was a real fear of the social services. And I think that's something we have to listen to. And we can't just dismiss the no vote as, well, they were all anti-government. There is people who have had negative experiences either in their own current period or in previous, when they were a child, or friends and family. So I would ask the Leader of the House to bring the Minister for Children and Youth Affairs to the House the earliest opportunity to, in particularly, to discuss the report of the Task Force in the Child and Family Support Agency, which was published in July. Because I think we in this House need to play a role in shaping that new agency, that we address the fears that people have raised. We could also discuss the fifth rapporteur, the Special Rapporteur on Child Protection, and the Rhine Report Implementation Plan. A 3-year progress report was published earlier today. I'd also ask the Leader to ask the Minister for Children to bring the adoption bill to this House first. It is very intricate. We saw some of the concerns being raised during the debate. I think it needs timely and well thought out debate. And finally, I'd ask the Leader to schedule a debate in a timely manner after the Supreme Court judgment on the 11th of December. We know the date that the Supreme Court will make its judgment, so let's have a timely debate to discuss the full implications. Thank you.